Alright, what's up everybody? So like, okay, this is just the quick clip to show you guys what's up. It's currently October 30th. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's October 30th, 2021. And so I'm applying this. It's lizard skin sound control. This is the product. This is how the product looks. Right there. So I put it right there so far. I put it like right here, here. You'll see too, like, okay, this door right here, listen, got nothing. But this right here, listen, it's a little bit different. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted. Wanted to show you guys what I'm actually putting on here. It's called lizard skin. If you guys want to look it up, this is what it looks like. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. This right here is 2 gallons by itself. This is a 2-gallon pail. Goes for like 200 and everything, maybe less, maybe more, depends on where you go, plus shipping, depends. 2 gallons lizard skin sound control. Gonna use this, put this away so it doesn't get the shit on it. So when they give you the gun, oh shit, it comes without this piece. You gotta go to Home Depot and get this extra piece, like $1. Fuck it, you know what I'm saying? Just clip that gun onto this fucking air shit right here. Boom. You're good to go. Alright guys, that's basically what I wanted to show you. The lizard skin video.